Year is bringing new problems for some Connecticut teachers. Their union is accusing certain districts of not giving them coronavirus protections. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell is looking into all of this tonight. He joins us live with more. Matthew.
Yeah, Mark, this goes back to a federal act that granted teachers 2 weeks full pay if they had to quarantine because of the coronavirus. Well, that act expired at the end of last year, and now the union says some districts aren't offering that protection in 2021.
A matter of life and death.
An urgent request is going out from Connecticut teachers after protections offered to them in 2020 expired with no signs of an extension. Don Williams is the executive director of the Connecticut Education Association.
We're seeing teachers being told that they cannot use, in some cases, their own sick days, but they could not stay on salary if they have to quarantine or if they have medical conditions.
Last year, the Family First Coronavirus Response Act gave them the ability to quarantine and get paid. It also gave teachers the option to work from home if they had health conditions. Williams says when the federal act expired at the beginning of 2021, some districts let their teachers know that the protection was gone.
This is just starting to ripple across the state. It's being promoted by certain law firms that represent certain districts, and we're just getting confirmation of that now.
Williams says he knows of more than one case where districts have made teachers come into work but refused to name names.
We know that this is going on in a number of districts around the state. We're hoping that before we're calling them out by name, that we can get the standard clarified.
The union is calling on the governor to make a statewide executive order, and based on past support on the state level, he's hopeful.
And we know that the governor and our Commissioner of Education, Miguel Cardona, get this because they have voiced support for these types of standards in the past.
Now, we did ask the unions if they had a rough estimate of the percentage of their members who took advantage of the act last year, but they didn't have those numbers. We also reached out to the governor's office looking to see if they indeed would be open to extending the act on a state level, but haven't heard back. That's the latest live here at the Digital Desk. Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 News.